Just like this eagle bird, noble bird, never be afraid to fly alone. It doesn't matter if you don't fit into the society, into the crowds. You can be the star of the birds. You can be by yourself very successful, very powerful. That's the reason many native cultures believe in this bird. They follow this bird because of its wisdom, power, divine grace, and justice. Be the eagle bird who flies alone. Just not like the other birds, doesn't flock together. Be the eagle bird. Okay, so now time for me to put some colors. Okay, so see, all right, just a week ago, I was just sitting underneath a tree and an eagle bird just came. A bald eagle, it was just sitting on the top of the tree branch, and I was like, wow, that is a divine message I need to share with you. So now I'll be using the color brown. So for the feathers, yeah. So let me start with the wings. See, the bald eagle has this brown color. Whole body is brown here. So this one, the wings. The natives believe this is a power symbolizes in this eagle bird. See here. This bird is also known for its great eyesight. See the tails here, the brown color. And then I'm just gonna have, what is that called? It's actually can shade its feather and grow new feather. So